So viewers, today our topic will be how to reset your password for e-office. We are using government.id in e-office, so we'll log into NIC webmail server, and there we can change our password which we are using in e-office. So you don't need any RailNet connectivity here. We will reset our password from the NIC webmail server. So simply you need to open your Google Chrome browser and enter the link passapp.email.gov.in. This is the official webmail server of NIC where our email IDs were managed, and we can change password from this mail only. And as you enter the link, you will get retrieved to a website PassApp where you have to enter your existing mail ID and the captcha given, and then you can get a OTP in your registered mobile number. I have a mail ID ntr.0301@gov.in. Next we have to enter the captcha given. The captcha is case sensitive, so we have to use the capital letter and a small letter according to the captcha. Once you enter the captcha, click on submit button. So as you click the submit button, you will get prompted to a window where you can see your password has been sent to your mobile number. And now I will check my inbox if any message has came from NIC. I can see a OTP has already arrived. I will note the OTP. So I will come and enter our OTP 876050. Then again we have to enter the captcha given below. Please enter the captcha carefully. Again we'll have to submit. So as we enter the OTP and captcha, we'll again prompted to a new window where you can see a message: enter password according to NIC email change password policy. The password policies must contain uppercase, lowercase, number, special character, and the password should be at least 8 character long and must not contain dictionary word. You cannot enter your old password. So now we have to set up a password according to the password policy. You can enter anything according to the policy. So I will type a password according to my password policy, and then we have to enter the captcha again and submit. As you set up your password and click on submit button, you will get retrieved to a new window. So here we can see please log in with your new password. That means our password has been changed. So I will tell you one thing more, that if you are changing your password now, it will take at least a 24 hour to get back to your e-office with a new password. So this session describes how to change the password in e-office. You can put your queries and comment in the comment box, and we will get back to you with new videos on e-office. You can just subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of my further videos.